black saddle. Today I'll be putting it to go to the future breeder's cage. It's old enough now. That hen's always cautious. He's going to get his last play around. Finally got a red whitetail. These ones starting to like fly about a bit. For flying. This blue as well. So we'll have that blue for flying, see how he goes. Yeah. Nice black. So I'll put that one for flying as well. So I'll have two silvers, blue, that one there. I need one more, at least 5. Yeah, and this 5, at least 5. It's good old yellow. It's growing up. Definitely not gonna fly him or her. I like to go over there. I've got wild grown mint. I can cut the grass and the mint still grows. Birds love it. There you go, they're starting to fly about. That's good. Got another young red. That saddle's ready to go. It's ready to go to the other cage. Birds love the dried weeds. I like to pick them up. Like this little red. Definitely not flying that one. It's funny, like a few years back I was flying everything, but now I'm being very cautious. Make sure I've got breeders, as the other ones are getting old. These guys got eggs. she's doing eggs again. I wanted to pair up something else. I might have some broiler eggs and pair it with something else. These ones should be hatching soon. That's the father of that girl over there. So he's paired to that one. That's it. Alton. Top flyer. Now you wouldn't think he and him are brothers. You wouldn't think that they're brothers. It's got that mean face as well. And their brother is also this guy right here. Got crestless.